everyone, I'm Justin Choate. Welcome to Faces of First Commonwealth. Today I am thrilled to be joined by Manny Sanchez, who is our VP, Sales and Performance Coach here at First Commonwealth. Manny, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
So, Manny, you've held many different positions in your 19-year journey from frontline service to leadership. Can you talk a little bit about what those experiences meant to you and how they sort of influence the way that you coach today?
Yes, I mean, I have been an MXA, I have been an employee, I have been a manager. One of the great things that I really appreciate is that I can empathize with many of the new hires. I see myself at every new hire orientation and I can put myself in their shoes. I was just there with them. And I think the fact that I've had some good managers, I had some bad managers as well. I wanted to be a manager that could really be someone that can help, someone that could be a support, someone can really understand them. So what I tend to do with myself, since I understand and I was in their position before, I do my best to actually go ahead and really talk to all the new hires and all the MXAs, and I try to really help to find their learning style and be the best person that I can be. I think that it's allowed me to be a better coach, a better mentor, because I was there exactly with them. I've been through the objections. I've done sales. I've had situations where I've had to talk to a member about a product, discover needs, and overcome objections. I think that's been very helpful for me that I've been in that position, and I've also been a manager as well.
So, Manny, on the member side of things, for those who might not be familiar, how would you describe your role as sales and performance coach, and why is it important to the members for their experience here at First Commonwealth?
I think all members who go anywhere, whether you're going to a bank, whether you're going shopping, you want the best experience possible. And I see my role as a collaborator, I see my role as a trainer, and I see my role also as a support. Part of my role is I do train a lot of new hires in the sales process. I kind of go through the whole steps of having a consultative conversation with every member, learning about them, learning their needs, and making recommendations. I think it's great because we're not here to deceive. We're not here to push products. We're not here to sell something that they don't need. We're really here to actually provide a solution to them. And I think the more observations I do, the more training habits that I create, and I've done that so far by visiting all the financial centers, we can create a better experience for the member, because it's great to get their problem solved. But if we can find something that can help make their lives better, that will make their experience much more wonderful, will make us grow and become a better credit union and a partner in the community.
So, Manny, you've said that in every role, you've always focused on providing great service and offering solutions that actually add value. Mm-hmm. What does that philosophy mean to you, and how do you encourage your teams to live it out in every single interaction that they have?
I think that every interaction that all the MXAs have and every interaction of a member should be about building relationships, truly understanding what that person needs, what actually will help make their lives better. So one of the sales credos that I do even in my actual trainings, I say, if we help enough people get what they want, we will also get what we want. But in order to know what they want, we have to understand them. Be curious. You have to be able to ask questions, really dive deeper. Does the member really need this? Is this a solution they really actually is going to help their lives better? I think that's really what it means by adding value. We're not here to push products. We're here to actually provide solutions.
So looking a little bit towards the future, what skills or mindsets do you think are most important for our credit union team members to develop so they can continue meeting our members' needs?
I think one of the most important things is we have to be knowledgeable. We have to really know what products and services we offer, and we have to be excited about it. Because if we are going to present a solution or a product or service to a member, if we're not excited about it, how are we going to get them excited about it? I always say that sales is a transference of feeling. And we have to be able to transfer that excitement from you who are actually presenting the solution to the member. Because if I'm not excited about what you're talking about, they're not going to be excited either. Also, be honest, be transparent. Let them know. Don't omit anything. Don't try to sell something or provide a solution that's not going to make any sense. So always stick to our core values, be honest, be excited, and also be curious. Ask questions. Members are not going to always be open and tell us what they're going through, but every interaction is an opportunity for you to make that connection, build that trust, so they'll come back for more services and for more solutions as well.
Manny, you've been here with First Commonwealth since 2021. What has kept you motivated and inspired? Actually, just what drew you here to First Commonwealth first and foremost, and then what keeps you motivated and inspired here at our credit union?
Wow, thinking back, it's been 4 years, 2021. So I lived in New York before coming here to First Commonwealth. First Commonwealth just happened to be one of the employers that I decided to apply for when I was making my transition. I've had some family here, some brothers that have been convincing me to come here. I came here for family, and I applied to several jobs. And when I looked up and researched First Commonwealth, I loved the fact that it was a credit union, it was member owned, they're heavily involved in the community. I had worked for bigger banks before, and they were all about profits. And since I've been here, it's been the best decision that I made. The managers I've had, the cooperation, everybody has been so helpful. And I've gotten the chance to actually go from multi-site MXA to loan expediter, a universal team lead in back office, and I'm a sales and performance coach. So I couldn't be prouder to be working for this organization and to move forward, and hopefully we can go ahead and exceed and do things, great things to come.
So outside of work, you're a husband, you're a father of 3.
Yeah.
What do you like to do in your free time with your family? And more importantly, what does your family mean to you and your journey just overall?
Well, I think my family is one of the biggest things that I'm definitely proud of. I do have 3 kids. I have a 12-year-old, I have a 9-year-old, and I have a 1-year-old going on 2. And they pretty keep most of my time. I'm kind of the same person at home that I am here. I try to be helpful. What I spend my time with, taking the kids out to the park, helping them out with their homework. My son he loves cubing. He basically is in band. He's in a recital. My daughter loves to color and do art and crafts. So spending time with them, giving them advice, helping them with their homework is kind of similar to what I do here, where I go to centers, I observe, I coach, I try to give people my feedback, try to help them as best as I can because I want the best for them. And I think that's the only thing you can hope for. Just try to assist people and help them become better.
Manny, looking back on your 19-year journey, is there a particular moment of impact, whether it be with a member or a colleague, that really stands out as a reminder of why you do what you do every single day?
Yes. I mean, I've had so many experiences with members that I've helped that have come back. I think what really stands out is they come back to me after I've helped them. I had a recent member when I was part of the loan expediter team here at First Commonwealth, a member who wanted to get her dream vehicle, a BMW. She got the car, she financed it. I talked to her about the benefits of having GAP on the car. She decided not to go with that service. And then 6 months later, she totaled her vehicle. And she ended up paying $3,000. But she realized that when I actually presented it to her, I was looking for her best interest. And she decided to come back. She came back to me to get her new vehicle. She got GAP this time. Then she referred her family members, her husband, her mom, her dad. And that's what it really basically motivates me and wanting to come back for more, that people love the experience that I provided them, that they were willing not to only come back so that I can help them myself, but also provide that same service to their friends and to their family.
Manny, thank you so much for joining us today. It was really awesome getting a chance to talk with you, hearing about your journey and what you look forward to in the future.
Thank you, Justin. Thank you for inviting me. It was a pleasure.
And thank you all for watching Faces of First Commonwealth. For our director and producer, Tyler Pace, I'm Justin Choate. We'll see you next time.